Oh, before I do this side, I want to show you how nasty that water was. See that? Look at all that dirt and crap in there. So it does, you know, it does help cleaning the calipers off. Like we did the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the brackets just to hold it, and we're gonna take those pins off. All right, here's the deal. I'm not gonna be able to do this side without a socket. I'm gonna need a 1/4 inch 12-point socket. Man, I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some sockets. This caliper sticks out past those bolts, and you can't get the wrench on there, so I got no choice. All right, I'll see you guys when I get back. All right, I am back. I had to go out and get a special 1/4 inch socket. I bought a nice little socket set. These are called spline sockets, and they fit multiple nuts and bolts. So let's get back to work. Let me take this back out. All right, now we gotta take these pins out. Shit, just slide right out. Now we take the pads out. There we go. Like I said, they're not in bad shape. They are cracking and stuff like that. The inside one looks a little worn out, uneven, like it's thinner on this side. So I'm just gonna replace them, just like the other side. Let's go ahead and clean this thing up. If they're in too far, just squeeze the brake lever once or twice, but be careful that these don't fall out. Basically doing the same thing I did on the other side. All right, I'm gonna get some fresh water to rinse that off. And now we're gonna dry it up with some air. I'm just gonna clean the bolts up a little bit using the same soapy water that I have. Okay, now I'll show you what the caliper looks like on the inside. Look how clean that is. It looks really nice, like brand new. Like I said, maintain these and it'll last you a long time. I gotta push the pistons back in. If you don't push the pistons in, you won't be able to get the pads in there. See? And now we're going to spread this out so the rotor will fit right in here. Being careful not to damage the new pads. Now I'm just going to leave the old pad in here just to keep the pistons in the caliper from closing for whatever reason. Not that they will on their own, but accidentally hit the brake lever or something. You know, I don't want those closing up on me. So this is going to sit like this because if you watch my other video, I sent the wheel out to get a new tire put on. So when that comes back, we'll put it all back together. Basically, that's it for changing the pads on your Harley Ultra Classic. Any questions, comments, any constructive criticism, be more than happy to hear it. Just put it down below. I do try to respond to everybody. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.